Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you step by step how to change your Gmail email address. So first off, type in Google account on Google search and then just be sure to sign in with your Google account. It's pretty simple. Now we need to go to personal info, and this is pretty much where you can set up your email address. So this is a new feature that is gradually rolling out as we speak. In your account it might not be available yet, so you'll have to wait for that. But as you can see, Google account email, this is the email address that you will be able to change as soon as the Google as a company will roll it out for you as a user. As you can see, in my case, it's not possible for me to change it, but as they roll it out gradually, you will be, and you can also do this only 3 times on your account. So only 3 times for the entire lifetime of your account. Make sure to keep that in mind. So that's it for this one, guys. Help me out with a like and a subscription, and thank you for watching.